Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of chapter 13, the simple present tense. I am repeating again. Our today's topic is chapter 13, the simple present tense. And this is our 5th lecture and 4th SW. I am repeating again, this is our 5th lecture and 4th SW. Now students, we'll start our class. The simple present tense. The simple present is a verb tense. When an action happens regularly, we call it simple present tense. It means when something happens regularly, we have to call it simple present tense. The simple present tense is formed by using the root form or base form, or by adding s or es to the end. It means if we want to make simple present tense, we have to use the root form or base form of a verb, or we can use s or es at the end of the word. Students, if you look at these examples, your concept will be clear. I dash with my sister. Here given word is play. And if you write play in the gap, it will be correct because the subject is I. It's first person, and with first person you have to use the root form. I'm saying again, with first person, for the simple tense, simple present tense, you have to use root form. Now come to second example. He dashed the newspaper. The given word is read. Here we add s at the end of the word. You can ask me why you add s. Yes, look at the subject. The subject is he. He is third person singular number. When we'll find third person singular number, and if we have to make the sentence in simple present tense, we have to add s or es. So here with read, we have to use an extra s. Now come to 3. Mita dashed to the office. The given word is go. So the present tense of go is goes. We have added es at the end of the word go. So the sentence is Mita goes to the office. Students, now we'll do some exercise for your better understanding. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the action words in the brackets. Here you will get some sentence, and we have given some words or action words, and you have to make the proper use of these words. Students, take your Enjoying Grammar book, and today we will do the exercise from page number 45. Open your book, page number 45. Now come to number 1. The sun dash in the east. The given word is rise. So here the sun, this is singular. So you have to add s at the end of the word. So the word will be rises. R-I-S-E-S. The sun rises in the east. Number 2, cows dash grass. The given word is eat. Look here, cows. This is singular or plural? Can you say? This is plural. So with plural, you have to use plural verb. That means you can't use s or es. You have to write the root. That means eat. Cows eat grass. Number 3, cats dash milk and fish. The given word is like. And like before, here we find the plural subject. So with plural subject, you have to use plural verb. So here you can write likes, like, Which one? Yes, here must be like. Cats like milk and fish. Number 4, the tortoise dash slowly. The given word is crawl. The tortoise here is singular. So with singular you have to use singular verb and you have to use s at the end of the word. C-R-A-W-L-S. So now the sentence will be the tortoise crawls slowly. Now come to number 5, the deer dash very fast. Here our given word is run. Here we find again the singular subject. So definitely we have to use singular verb. So singular verb, the given word is run and you have to use an extra s. So the word is runs. The deer runs very fast. Number 6, April dash after March. The given word is come. April is singular, third person singular number. So here we have to use singular verb. The verb will be comes. C-O-M-E-S, comes. April comes after March. Now come to number 7, a cobbler dash turn shoes. Our given word is mend. So the subject is singular, we have to use singular verb. The verb will be mends. M-E-N-D-S, mends. We have to use extra s. Now number 8 and last number. A postman dash our letters. Here we find the given word bring. So you have to use the word bring. So which one? Root from. Adding s or es. We find the subject singular. So you have to use the singular verb. Singular verb will be brings. B-R-I-N-G and extra s. So the sentence will be a postman brings our letters. Students, look, I have given your homework. Today's homework is from 1 to 8. Our homework is from 1 to 8. That means we have done this exercise and this exercise will be your homework. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. And don't forget to submit your SW copies. Guardians or anyone else can submit your copies on every Sunday and can collect your copies on next Sunday. You will get your CT, SPA and diary marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. Please do your SW copy and submit on due time. We'll check your copy properly, inshallah, and give you your marks. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.